Hey guys, so this is practically my first YouTube video. Today we're practically just going to be doing a flawless makeup look. I'm going to be giving you like all my tips and tricks of how to get the most flawless look. Just continue watching if you want to know all the tips and tricks on how to get a flawless makeover. So first going to start off with coverage. Okay, so I have this Kryolan makeup palette. It's pretty much like a coverage palette kind of thing. So, and you don't need to get like a palette like this. Okay, I'm practically going to be using this orange color, and I'm going to mix it a bit with the whites just to make it a bit lighter because I am light skinned. People with darker skin, you just use plain orange. Okay, this thingy, just to like scrape it out. Girl, you can use the back of your brush, honestly, anything. Like, you don't need this. It's gonna camouflage your dark under eyes. Foundation brush, here you go. Okay, this is from Cole Makeup, which is the college that I studied at. Okay, hold on, I forgot guys, my hair is going to be on the way. Okay, any blemishes, whatever, just yeah, put that away. And now we are going to go into concealer. Concealer is very important in my makeup routine. I love it so much. I'm gonna put some concealer. I'm going to use this Morphe Y6 brush, buff it in. Okay, so now we are going to go on to foundation. So for foundation, I use a beauty blender. Now let me tell you, a beauty blender will not make you look cakey. It will not do something that a foundation brush could do. Like, foundation brushes are also amazing. Okay, they work perfectly because it's a foundation brush. It's used for foundation, or it's made for foundation. But in my personal opinion, beauty blenders work so much better. Okay, I'm gonna be using my L'Oreal foundation. Okay, after swatching on my hand, I'm just going to clean that off. A makeup remover, wipe. Yes, Monica, wipe. 2 squirts on my hand. I normally just start from the top to the bottom. No special way of putting on foundation. You just have to cover your face. Okay. And a step that I actually missed that is actually very important, and this will keep your makeup lasting. Before putting your makeup on, you must put moisturizer on, because moisturizer is going to, especially if you're dry skinned. Okay, so this E45 cream is literally amazing. It is so soft, it works, it's dermatologic. Put that on before because it just lasts longer and it's easier to apply your foundation. I'm so light skinned, that's why I wear, actually this is not like the perfectly correct foundation color for me, because I look like a bit of a tan, you know, and I literally cannot match my proper skin color. I'm gonna make sure it's blended down because you don't want to line. Ignore the scars, guys. I'm so like, I hate it. But if you guys want a story time on these scars, then, because it's definitely a story time story. Does that make sense? Yeah. Okay, so we are done with foundation. Now we are going to go on to concealer. It's a very, very, very good concealer if you guys are looking for one. It's just like the highlights and areas. It just makes a huge difference. Like, I love concealer. I'm going to be using this Morphe brush again, this flat brush. And just buff it out. Okay. I just put it in these areas, but if you guys do have like blemishes that you want to disappear and you want to conceal, then you just put it over. I'm going to go into bronzer and contouring. I use the Ben Nye palette. This thing is so nice. I love it so much. And it's got colors for like eyeshadows and everything. It's so nice. I've hit pan, quite a bit of pan. This color over here. I'm going to be using this brush. It's not a brand. It's not a brand name, anything. It's just a unicorn brush. Look at that. Look at that. It's cute. Okay, so this is from Claire's, if you just wanted to know. I'm going to tap off the excess because you don't want to like go overboard with it. Rather put less and build more onto it than go straight on with a lot, because you can't take away but you can add. There you go. Okay, So I have a big forehead. I should probably get a friend. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really bronzer or contour my jawline because I just don't. I don't know. But I should because I need that snatch, you know, which I don't have, but it's okay. Nose contour. I'm going to be using this brush. It's a flat brush. It's not, it's the same unicorn brush. The same color. Basically what I do with this, I use this because my nose is small. I've got a small nose. And I want to get it like right in, you know, and go right up to the brow. I want it to be blended. Let's go in with that. Now I'll just blend everything again. And I just want you guys to know this is like just a flawless makeup look. So I'm not putting all the steps which I would for like a glam look. Like for my flawless, I do just bronzer. I don't do like hectic contour because this is like a natural look. So if you guys want to see a glam look with like glam eyes, everything like that, then just comment down below because I'll definitely give you that, and I'll definitely give you like a proper demonstration of how I do my contour, because this isn't, I do it normally with like cream contour colors. So we are going to go in to translucent powder. Okay, so I use Yardley. It's a very good powder. I use a beauty blender. I love how I look when I bake myself. Okay, how good do I look? Oh my gosh, stop. Okay. Into my eyebrows. Okay. While this is setting, so I'm going to be using this angled brush. For my eyebrows. And then I'm going to be using the Ben Nye palette. You see this comes in handy. I always use this color. And we're just going to go right in. I'm going to conceal my eyes. Now I'm baked. I'm fresh out of the oven. So I just had to make one of those jokes. Okay. Morphe brush Y1. This one. Okay, so now I'm going to go into blush. Okay. Blush. I just love blush. You need color. Okay. Kryolan makeup blush palette. So what I practically do, I'm going to be using this Morphe brush Y4. Almost done. This brush. Again, it's from Cole Makeup. Setting it with a setting spray, Scandinavia. It's really good. Let me show you guys. Okay. I'm gonna spray it. I'll always spray it because it just makes it shiny. I'm using the LA Girls strobing powder. I'm going to go in with eyeliner. I use this. I don't actually know what it's called. So now I'm going to go on and put my eyelashes on, and I will be right back. My eyes are done. The eyelashes are done. I'm going to go in with lipstick. I'm going to be using this lip liner by Kryolan, and it's just like a nude color, which I love. Any gloss, I think it will just look good. Okay, so once you line your lips, you fill it with your lip liner. This does obviously keep the lipstick lasting longer, whether it's lipstick, whether it's gloss. It looks better and it lasts longer. There you go. I'm done with my lipstick. Okay guys, so this is it. This is the natural, flawless, just natural look. Comment down below what you guys want to see. Literally anything. Give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, become part of my family, put on my post notification so that you can get a notification when I post again of maybe another makeup tutorial or a Q&A or challenge, anything. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.